His first question is by Ajay. He's asking, what's new in Microsoft .NET 6? So before answering to Ajay's question, for those who don't know what is .NET 6, .NET 6 is the latest version and LTS or long-term support version of Microsoft's own .NET framework. .NET framework is a framework by Microsoft to build any kind of application, be it web, desktop or mobile applications using .NET and C#. Along with C#, .NET Framework also supports other languages like VB.NET and F#. So now coming back to Ajay's question that what is new in .NET 6? For starter, .NET 6 is consolidation of all the .NET frameworks. Before .NET 6, the other frameworks which were cross-platform were .NET 5, then there was Mono Runtime or Mono Framework which was used to create Android and iOS mobile application, whereas with .NET 6, you can use .NET itself, like .NET 6 itself, to create Android and iOS applications. So .NET 6 is basically true consolidation of all the .NET frameworks, that is .NET Framework on Windows, Mono Runtime which is cross-platform which runs on Linux and macOS, and your .NET Core Framework. So all the three framework, that is Windows .NET Framework, .NET Core Framework and Mono Runtime or Mono Framework, all these three are consolidated into one single framework, that is .NET 6. Apart from that, .NET 6 also support C#10 and F#6. So there are many features of C#10 which is supported by .NET 6. The primary language or the main language which is supported by .NET 6 or which was released along with .NET 6 is C#10. Along with that, .NET 6 also support new project template type, just like Minimal API, which is basically a single file API application. So you have just program.cs, and using just program.cs you can create one web API application. Apart from that, even regular ASP.NET MVC and Blazor project frameworks project templates has also been updated according to .NET 6. .NET 6 has also came up with a new data type, or I think it's a C#10 feature, that is there is a new data type called date only and time only. So previous to that, if you want to store a date time field, you have to store in date time like data type. The data type was date time. So if you want to store date, you will have to use date time. If you want to store time, you will have to use date time again. But now with .NET 6 and C#10, you have separate data type for both of these, that if you want to store date, you will use date only. If you want to store time, you will use time only. And if you want to find out the difference between the two, by difference I mean like if you want to compare that which date is greater than other date or less than other, or those kind of arithmetic conversions if you want to do, you can use the time span data type which is already there since a longer period of time in .NET. With .NET 6 framework, startup.cs file has been removed from your project templates. So all the new project templates have only program.cs, and all the things which were done in startup.cs has been included into program.cs itself. That is to support your minimal API framework. .NET 6 also have ARM support, which means that you can natively create Apple Silicon application, or you can build .NET 6 application natively on Apple Silicon Macs, that is M1 Macs. However, as I said earlier also, that servers are not Apple Silicon compatible. They are still on Intel x86 or Intel 64-bit processors. So they it won't be much beneficial to use it on Mac. But of course, it will help in developing mobile application using Mavi or even using Xamarin. Another biggest feature of .NET 6 is hot reload everywhere. Hot reload is a feature where you change the code or change the UI on runtime and it is reflected back on the application itself. So hot reload is basically a debug only feature or development feature, that while doing development, if you are running a web application, you can change into HTML code or C# code of that web application, and that will be automatically reflected on the web UI which you are running. This feature is available on all the project types of .NET 6 framework. So be it a web application, be it a desktop application, be it a Blazor application, be it a Mavi application, all the application types support hot reload now. So these were main new noticeable features in Microsoft .NET 6 framework. To know more about these features, you can go through the documentation of Microsoft .NET 6 framework by visiting docs.microsoft.com. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care, bye bye.